Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to reset Hisense AC remote. So in order to reset it, what you need to do is to simply press and hold this power button on your remote, and then you need to wait for 5 seconds until you see this type of beep. So over here, this is the reset section where you will be able to see the light. So if you see that light over here, you just have to simply release the power button, and then you just have to wait for it until it is resetting. The second thing that you can do is you can simply try to find some other option. So let me just uh, take a look at here, and let's just find out what this person is saying. So if the unit senses a drop in the power, it will beep twice and turn off completely. I had it plugged into the outlet with a bunch of other stuff plugged in the outlet above it. So if you don't hear a gurgling or hissing sound and you are having this issue, you can try dedicating an entire outlet. Another sign it's power issue is the problem only happens when the compressor is on, and this fixed the problem for me. So you can just do as I said in order to reset your Hisense remote. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.